Good evening. Evening. It's still afternoon. Well, unless you're in Newfoundland and Atlantic Canada, so that should be, it'd be evening in Eastern Time Zone and Atlantic Canada and Newfoundland. So I guess it goes. Anyways, week 2 of the CFL season kicks off tonight. BC at Winnipeg. That should be a good game. That should be a good game. So I think it's 6:30 start. Yeah, if it's games in Winnipeg, so it should be a 6:30 start. 6:30-ish kickoff. Now, other championships that were won in 1985. Super Bowl 19, San Francisco 38, Miami 16. 1985 Grey Cup, BC 37, Hamilton 24. And the 1985 World Series had Kansas City beat St. Louis 4-3. Anybody remember Dom Derkinger in Game 6? No? No. So, yeah. I'm not saying Kansas City, if we made the right call, there might not have been a Game 7, but we'll never know, will we? So anyways, that was the other championships that were won in 85. It's been just finished watching MASH a little bit ago. Fraser will be put on after 5, then it's going to be wait for the CFL game to be dealt with, and Game 4 of this year's Stanley Cup Finals. I start 1986 on Sunday. Because I can and will. The 1986 CFL playoff format was rather interesting. The West was like 1 versus 4 and 2 versus 3, and the East was just the top 2 in a home and home 2-game total point series. Because Ottawa and Montreal both sucked. Easily left Hamilton, Toronto. So, yeah, that was an interesting little playoff format. The only time it's ever been used. Because not until you had the U.S. teams, and then there was no 2-game total points. There was just 1-4, 2-3. It's like division semi, division final, Grey Cup, season over. We'll get there when we get there. Looking through checking the CFL data, uniform database. It's been stuck at 2001 for a while, so a lot of work. Whoever's putting in a lot of work. Make sure all the information's correct. Yeah, so let me see. Got blood work next Thursday. I have to make a phone call for a referral. And that'll probably be tomorrow-ish. Tomorrow-ish. Yeah, that's. I could do it Monday-ish, but it's gonna have to be after work though. So 2 Mondays in a row, 7 to 3:30 is like okay. No complaints. No complaints here. Let's see, what else can I come up with? I think that's it. That shall be it. So, in the meantime and in between time, stay tuned for the next one.